Take up that home repair project and easily fix cracks, dents, or missing pieces in wood with Bondo Wood Filler. But first, let's review how to mix the product. You'll need a stir stick, a spreader, and a non-porous mixing surface. Use in a well-ventilated area and wear appropriate personal protective equipment. Bondo Wood Filler is a two-component system which comes with a tube of cream hardener. Using your stir stick, give the filler a gentle stir. The filler and hardener are always mixed in a 50-to-1 ratio by weight. An easy way to do this without a scale is to drop a 3-inch diameter puddle of filler onto the mixing surface. Grab your hardener and give it a gentle knead to ensure the contents are mixed before use. Draw a line of hardener across the top of the puddle. Now, fold and mix it well. Avoid stirring the mixture aggressively, as this can whip air into the product, which may create pinholes in the application. Once you reach a consistent color, it's ready to use. Achieving the right ratio is that easy. It's also the maximum amount of product we recommend mixing at any given time for use. Once mixed, you have about 3 to 4 minutes of working time for the application.